Friends, today I have the Xiaomi yeelight with me. Now let's begin with the unboxing and the first looks of this product by Xiaomi. Let's get started. So this is the retail box of this lighting device. You open the box, you get to see a premium packaging by Xiaomi. It's a very good light. It gives you a very good premium look, you can see. Let's take it out. Packaging, we got a charger, from which you can connect to the power point. If you don't connect this thing to the power point and this thing to the light would not work. See, I was confused looking at this for the first time, but then I realized that this thing should be put in this thing, and here we go. You can see it has a yeelight branding on it, and here is the LED. It's also known as the RGB LED, red, blue, green. And there are some points on this device where you can actually cut the thing off. And I would like to show you one more thing that is at the end of the device. This thing, from this thing, you can attach an extension to the device, and that I found which was really cool. Switch in the plug. How do you know that the light will get switched on or not? You'll know if this thing on your device is blinking, that means your device is on. Just need to press this manual button and switch it on. Here you go. These lights are looking awesome, and these lights would make your room look premium. Here we have the app installed, and let's check out the app and how it looks like. Let's log in. I'm from India, I'll let you guys know that. And I'll just take this thing, log in. This is going to take some time. Please wait. Here we go. I would like to sign in with the password. Nope, password. And for privacy purposes, I'll just remove my phone. Till the time, you enjoy the music. Guys, you can see that the light will ask you for some permissions, and you have to just click on allow. I've just connected my phone with the device, and here I have the switch on option. Let's try this, and it really works. Let's click on the thing, this thing. You get many options over here like sunrise. See, it has turned red. Sunset, good soothing color. Here's a night mode. You can also use it as a night lamp, maybe, if you want to. Birthday party mode. You have the movie mode, like if you like watching movies, you can switch this on and enjoy your movie. Dating night, if you really are on Tinder and you like to date everyone, you can use this option, and you have some other options. Now, as per told by the company, this yeelight light strip supports 16 million colors. Now that's a very awesome thing. See, you can see that I have just changed the color. It's a very nice thing to put in your house to make your house look premium. And let's check this flow thing out. Now, flow thing is like your lights will flow. You have to just put some colors over here, select your colors, desirable colors, and the light will keep flowing as per the speed you want and as per the brightness you want. I'll just set the brightness to normal and the speed around 50%. What's this thing? Let's check out this thing out. Color picker. Now let us see what is the color picker. You'll have to allow the yeelight to take pictures and record videos. Today is history. Tomorrow is a gift. That's right, tomorrow is a mystery. Let's check out some of the colors from this poster. Like I pick, like suppose this color. Apply. You can see the color, and you have timer till what time do you want to switch your light on or off, and music mode. This is a very nice thing I found in this device. I'll just switch the music mode on, and I would like to play my favorite song over here. As you can see, as the music stops, this light turns red. Actually, it was tracking my voice also, as it allows the recorder to record my voice. Let's go out and check something else. Here's a firmware update. I still have to update my firmware. I'll just do it after this video. And you also have scenes over here where you can set up your scenes, your room. Like I want to lower the brightness, I can lower the brightness from here. So that's all for this device, and stay tuned on my channel Eureka Tech, where I'm also going to review the Cisco LED bulb. It's another smart lighting device. If you like this review video, please like, share and subscribe to this video and to my channel. And I'll let you guys know that I will be giving 3 of these away after I hit around 100 likes on this video. Till that time, bye bye.